This chicken with a little bit of a teriyaki sauce, and I'm going to ground it in a blender. I blend it and then cook it with a little bit of oil. After I blend the chicken breast meat and add a little bit of oil and teriyaki sauce and cook it with a little bit of a broth. And this is for Youngie's meal. Actually, these are treating for her meal mixed with her dog food. She doesn't like dog food at all, so I'm going to mix it together and feed her. She loves it. After fully cooked chicken meat and mix with the cornstarch with the water, like a starchy water, about 2 tablespoons with 2 tablespoons of water, and add here as a thickener and make a sauce for chicken sauce for Youngie's dog food. So whoever owns the dog who doesn't eat their dog food much, and try this way. This is a more protein substitute with the dog food, so they not gonna refuse their food anymore. So keep it in the bottling and make a canned food like that, and then you can feed your own princess or princess. Okay, these are Youngie's chicken part of her meal, and after we fully cook like this, we are going to put it in a bottle so we don't have to worry about for a couple weeks feeding her. Okay, so we make a bottle like this and it will last for 2 weeks. 영희야 밥 먹어. 영희 dinner time. 영희. 오케이, 영희. 오케이, 영희. 이건 네 밥. 이거. This is 영희 밥. 아니야, 이거 먹어야 돼. 기다려. 오. 오케이, 영희. 오케이. 영희 자리가 바뀌어서. 오케이. Good girl.